Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to merge multiple worksheets into one worksheet efficiently, without the need for copying and pasting, by using VBA code. While copying and pasting works for a few sheets, it's not practical when you have many worksheets to merge. This is where VBA macros can save you time and effort, automating the process for you. To get started, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, click on Insert, and then select Module from the drop-down menu. This will create a new module where you can write your macro code. Now, let's write the VBA code that will merge all your worksheets. Copy and paste the provided code into the module window. This code will create a new worksheet named Merged Sheet, and copy the contents of all other worksheets into it. After pasting the code, click Save to ensure your macro is saved within your workbook. This makes it available for use whenever you need it. Return to your Excel workbook and press Alt plus F8 to open the macro dialog box. Select Merge Multiple Worksheet from the list and click Run to execute the macro. As the macro runs, you'll see a new worksheet being created named Merged Sheet. This sheet will contain the combined data from all other worksheets in your workbook. It's important to note that all source worksheets must have the same structure, with the same column order and headings, for the macro to work correctly and avoid any data misalignment. That's it. You've successfully merged multiple worksheets into one using a VBA macro. This technique is incredibly useful for data consolidation and can save you a significant amount of time when working with large datasets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try this VBA macro with your own Excel workbooks to streamline your data management. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.